Hey guys, so we're gonna start you off in your entrance slips. Remember, if you haven't watched your video first for your notes, make sure to take care of that. You'll see here that we are in Unit 1, Topic C, all right, and the video notes that should be complete already. Remember, we did skip a little bit. We're going all the way to 22. So again, you should have your notes for lesson 22 completed. If you have not done those, start there first. Hit the pause button here, all right. Come back to this later on. For those of you that have done your notes, let's get started. So what we're seeing here is not a whole lot of different of what we've been doing. And this is the general theme here. A lot of times we kind of push you in, new concept, and it's like, but then we see it and we see it and we see it, and suddenly the dots start to connect here, which is why when we do our retakes, it's okay to struggle, and then just go back. A lot of times you're going to find those retakes are fast and a lot easier because, well, you get it more because we've seen more of it. That's what's going on here. So, same idea behind this. All right, we've got a car traveled at a constant rate. All right, so because it is a constant rate, that's letting us know, hey, we got a ratio here, 65 miles per hour. Now I know it says 7 hours, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. 65 miles per hour. That's a rate. Write it down. 65. And again, that's our miles for the one what? 1 hour. All right. And then we want to know for 7 hours. So where are your hours at? Upstairs or downstairs? Well, we can see there, that spelling there, hours. We can get it there, kind of. Yeah, all right. Hours are downstairs. Yeah. So there we are. Just like we've been doing. What do you do to a 1 to get to a 7? Well, as you can see, you multiply it by 7. So again, some of you might be like, oh, well, of course you're going to multiply it by 7, 65 miles per hour, 7 hours, 6 hours. Hey, if you see that, we've talked about this before, it's fine. Just realize that's not always going to be the case. So we're going to multiply 65 times 7. You can reach for your calculator if you would like. 65 times 7 equals 455. The big thing we are after here today is knowing what your answer is. So again, how far did the plane travel? Well, how far is it? That's the distance. So that's why we want the miles for the answer. So again, the answer here is simply 455 miles. If you want to write out a full sentence and say, in 7 hours, they flew 455 miles, that's certainly fine with me. This is the one we want to watch for. Now, again, it's not really anything new, really, all right? But our answer is a little bit new here based on what we've been doing. I'll show you. Okay, so Cameron ran 26 and 2/10 miles in 4 hours. There's your rate, all right? 26 and 2/10 miles, all right, in the 4 hours. Okay. What is the rate of speed? Okay, so rate is, okay, remember, rate. Rate means how much for 1. So what you need to realize is I want to know how much for 1. So now we can say, oh, we're going to divide by 4. Now, remember, rate means how much for 1. We saw this on our tables, all right, yesterday, lesson 19, when we did that matching activity with it. Rate, how much for 1? So there we go. It gave us a ratio, how much for 1. So reach for your calculator, 26 and 2/10. We're going to divide it by the 4. Hit enter. 6 and 55. Now, the answer here, though, rate. The rate is how much for 1. So this is a package deal. We need everything here. 6 and 5500ths miles for the 1 hour. Boom, boom, boom. It is everything here. And that's because they asked for the rate. All right, and rate means how much for 1. They didn't ask how far. They didn't ask for the miles. They didn't ask for how long for 1 hour. They asked for the rate that's there. So you would need to box all of that in. So again, watch what they're asking you for. Only give me the answers that we're looking for here. Don't just be like, yeah, take everything, Mr. Savage. You tell me which one's the correct one. No. Be very clear in boxing your answers. You've got answer keys. All right, so make sure you are checking those, making use out of them. And yeah, away we go.